Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How's everyone today? I'm Sandy, and today we're going to make a one-of-a-kind glam solar lamp using these smaller dollar store Christmas ornament balls. These come in a 16 pack and also come in a variety of colors like gold, matte silver, and glittery blue. Also from the dollar store is the solar garden stick and these silver napkin holders which come in a 6 pack with a chrome-like finish. This round frameless mirror that measures 5 inches across and these beautiful diamond-shaped acrylic gems. For additional embellishments, we will also be using some of these clear square crystal-like acrylic gems from Alibaba and the stunning rhinestone ribbon I found on Amazon. To help us with today's craft project, we will also need our handy-dandy glue gun, which I bought from Amazon. To begin, take the round frameless mirror and turn it upside down. Place it flat on the table surface and then take an X-Acto knife or box cutter and scrape off the felt pads from the back of the mirror. In case your knife or box cutter has very sharp blades, just make sure you remove the felt pads with caution so that you don't cut yourself in the process. For this step, I find it easiest to lay the blade as flat to the mirror as possible and with repeated short strokes, scrape the felt off section by section until the entire pad is removed. This step is actually optional, but I have chosen to remove the felt pads as I am adding legs to the bottom and so I don't want the felt pads to be visible. If you choose to add legs to the bottom of the mirror, you can choose to use 3 or 4 of the small Christmas ornament balls as legs. However, I am opting for these crystal doorknobs instead. To adhere the legs, a little hot glue should suffice. Once all the legs are secured, turn the mirror right side up and then secure one silver napkin holder to the center of the mirror. A very small amount of hot glue should suffice. You can either apply the hot glue to the bottom edge of the napkin ring before setting it onto the mirror, or you can place the napkin ring onto the mirror surface first and then apply a small amount of hot glue around the outer perimeter like I'm doing here. And this is what it should look like so far. Next is to place the Christmas balls around the napkin ring as I'm doing here. Before adhering the ornament balls, I would recommend to place them around the napkin ring first so you can get a sense of how many you will require on the bottom and how closely or how far apart they should be placed. Once you are satisfied with the placement, then adhere them with a small dollop of hot glue. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in to today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. Once the first tier of ornament balls are secured, continue with the next 2 tiers of ornament balls. And here's what the lamp base looks like so far. To help anchor the next tier of balls, you'll see that I'm securing 2 additional napkin holders into the center, one on top of the other. For the top tier of ornament balls, fill the gaps between the ornament balls with the diamond-shaped acrylic gems. Next, take one more silver napkin holder and adhere it to the center on top of the previous napkin holder. Then, set the lamp base aside while we take the solar garden stick and start blinging out the top with acrylic gems. And here you can see I'm adding a strip of rhinestone ribbon as well. And here's what the solar garden light looks like now, all beautifully blinged out. Separate the light from the stick and then insert the light into the lamp base that we just finished. And here is the final look for our one-of-a-kind glam solar lamp. Comment down below and let me know where you would place this lamp. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, hit the notification bell and check out these next videos for more ideas on glam lamps.